you've got a little progress wheel down in your bottom right-hand corner, right? And so you're going to click on that progress wheel, okay? Then you can click on the assignment. So here is the word path. Here it shows your attempts, and is that where they would choose the other attempt if they had multiples there? But you're going to hit view on this.
You would have, if you took it
I'm going to come close.
third or fourth time, it would say attempt 2, 3, or 4. And so we would only be looking at the highest attempt, but you need to know that your highest attempt is 80 or higher.
Okay.
So view is where you click.
Okay, so we're going to hit view, but then you also have to hit generate report once this comes up. So we've hit view, we get absolutely nothing, right? But then you hit generate report, and we're not quite done with the complicatedness yet, okay? You will notice, first of all, I'm going to suggest that you maximize this window so you can actually see what the heck's going on, okay? And we wait, we're patient, right? But you will first of all see right here where it says assignment. I'm going to move the mouse over this.
You can stand still.
Okay.
So the first thing you see, please note the number of pages. Because page 1 is always going to show 68%, which was a pretest score.
And I'm going to repeat just so the mic picks it up, right? Okay.
Oh, yes, I forgot about that.
So page 1, notice right here where my mouse cursor is, this says Business 1950 Word pre-exam. That is your pretest score. So this student, and I'm sorry everybody's seeing, but that's okay, right? 68. Was that above the 90? No, right? So now we're going to go to page 2, okay? Usually page 2, because it just wraps, usually page 2 is where the training's going to start, and in this case it did. And it said you completed your training at 100%. Now you would think post-test page 3, not always true. Okay? The post-test begins after the training section of the report, right? So in this case, if we go to page 3 on yours, it is absolutely blank. Nothing. Not helpful at all, okay? So what we want to do is we want to go back to page 2, do the little scroll wheel, right? And here it says post-test exam, right? And you got 100% on it, which is above the 80, so you are fine, okay? That's what you're looking at. The reason the page count is different is because, like I said, on this one, you got 68% right on the pretest. That means you were only presented training for 32% of the questions, right? And then your post-test only contained 32% of the questions, right? But if you didn't get a 90 or above on the pretest, this score right here is the magic number that we care about, okay, for your post-test score. Questions.